Hi guys, it's Caleb here with MarineMax Lake Norman. We just had a new arrival. It's a 2025 Yamaha AR195. We got this one in the white color. Comes with the galvanized trailer. Exterior features, you got stainless steel pop-up cleats. Nice aesthetic windshield. You got the powder coated black arch on it, the water sports tower. Moving around to the back, you'll see we got a nice big swim platform, awesome for hanging out at the sandbar, at the tie-up. Tons of space to hang out. This one is powered by the 1.8 liter supercharged motor. Super sporty, really fast, a lot of fun to drive. Coming up on into the cockpit, you got a nice step over. Step there for the engine cowling. It's easy in and out. You got storage underneath your back seats here. You got easy latch for your engine compartment access. Cup holders everywhere. You got a slide in slot there for the table that'll elbow out and come up right here. You got two speakers here. You got two in the front. You got bench seating on this side with open storage compartment there. Over on the passenger side console, you got a nice glove box, a nice non-skid area for miscellaneous items. Storage in the side console here. You also have a built-in cooler and trash receptacle. You also have that same storage on this side as well. Big spot. Large center floor storage here. Plenty for tubes, skis, wakeboards, whatever water sports toys you got. Bring them along with you. And then coming over to the helm, you notice we got a nice captain's chair here. Bolstered seating. You have your stereo control here, your touchscreen display with mapping, and your gauges up here. Phone holder here as well with charging ports here, 12 volt and USB. You got some of your default switching here, easy access to your blower, your ignition key, your lighting, and also your cruise control over here, which is really nice. A nice throttle assembly on this as well. And then moving up through the walk-through windshield, you'll notice you got nice space up here for a 19 foot, plenty of room to stretch out. I'm 6 foot and can spread out easily. Another two set of speakers up here, and then you got cup holders on either side, and you also have a built-in filler cushion here with more storage under these seats up here. So if you guys like the boat, we'd love to see you here. Give us a call, send us an email, see us at the store. Love to answer your questions, maybe take you out on the water. Thanks for watching.